May I ask your name?
私の
My name is Next.
すみません、
Nesta, is that right?
感染
Yes,
して
that's right.
はい。
My name is Erica. It's a pleasure to meet you, Nesta.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the world of robotics, especially humanoid robots, you know that Japan has been at the forefront of this fascinating technology for quite some time. Recently, however, there's been a new wave of excitement thanks to the latest development: incredibly realistic female humanoid robots created in Japan. These robots have taken the world by storm, not only because of their astonishing lifelike appearance, but also due to the cutting-edge technology that powers them. Today, we're going to explore these amazing creations, how they compare to previous humanoid robots from Japan, and why they're shocking the world yet again. Let's dive in. The evolution of humanoid robots in Japan. Japan has long been a leader in humanoid robot development. The country has a rich history of creating robots that are not only functional, but also designed to interact with humans in a natural and lifelike way. In fact, Japan's obsession with robotics has become a part of its culture, with robots appearing in everything from entertainment to healthcare. One of the earliest and most famous humanoid robots from Japan was Azimo, developed by Honda in 2000. Azimo was groundbreaking for its time, being one of the first robots capable of walking, running, and interacting with people in a basic way. While Azimo was impressive in terms of movement, it still looked more like a robot with a mechanical appearance. It didn't resemble a human in terms of facial features or skin texture. Another key milestone in the humanoid robot field was Geminoid. This series of robots, developed by Osaka University and Kokoro Company, was designed to look as human-like as possible. The Geminoid robots are incredibly lifelike, with realistic facial expressions and movements. They've been used in various research projects to study human-robot interactions, and their development marked a huge leap forward in creating robots that could pass for real humans. But these were just stepping stones. The latest humanoid robots coming out of Japan are on a whole new level. The new generation of realistic female humanoid robots. In recent years, Japan has introduced a new generation of humanoid robots that not only look human, but also exhibit advanced capabilities that make them more interactive and lifelike than ever before. These robots are truly on the cutting edge of technology. One of the standout names in this new wave of robots is Reply Q2. Created by Takahashi Hiroshi and his team at Osaka University, Reply Q2 is a humanoid robot that takes lifelike detail to the next level. This robot's skin is made from a flexible silicone material that mimics the texture and look of human skin, while its facial expressions, movements, and even blinking eyes are astonishingly realistic. What's even more impressive is that Reply Q2 can mimic human speech and emotions with incredible accuracy, allowing it to interact with humans in a natural and engaging way. Erica is another major development in this field. Created by Hiroshi Ishiguro and his team at Osaka University, Erica is a female humanoid robot designed to interact with people in real-time conversations. Erica's facial features are incredibly realistic, and she can express a range of emotions, from happiness to surprise. Her appearance is so lifelike that it's often hard to tell whether she's a human or a robot. Erica has been used in various roles, including as a receptionist at events and conferences, and she even made headlines when she appeared as a newscaster on Japanese television. What sets Erica apart is her ability to hold conversations with real humans. She's equipped with advanced AI that allows her to respond intelligently to questions and follow along in discussions, making her one of the most advanced humanoid robots in terms of communication and human interaction. The technology behind these realistic female humanoid robots. So, what makes these female humanoid robots so shockingly realistic? Let's break down the key technologies that power these creations. Advanced AI and machine learning. One of the biggest factors behind the realism of these robots is the advanced AI and machine learning algorithms they use. These AI systems allow the robots to understand and process human speech, gestures, and emotions. They can then respond in a way that feels natural and relatable. For example, the AI can detect the tone of someone's voice and adjust the robot's response accordingly, whether it's a friendly smile or a more serious expression. Over time, the AI learns from its interactions, becoming more adept at mimicking human behavior. Lifelike skin and facial features. Another significant advancement is the creation of lifelike skin. The flexible silicone materials used in these robots help to replicate the texture and elasticity of human skin, making them feel almost real to the touch. The skin is also designed to respond to touch and pressure, which is crucial for creating a more authentic human-like experience. In addition, the robots have sophisticated facial structures that allow for an incredible range of expressions. Each facial feature, from the eyes to the mouth, is designed to move and change in a way that mimics human facial muscles. Realistic movements and posture. Gone are the days of stiff, mechanical robots. The latest humanoid robots are built with advanced actuators and motors that allow them to move with fluidity and grace. They can walk, sit, stand, and even express emotions through body language. This range of movement is essential for creating a more believable humanoid robot, as it makes them appear more like real people rather than just advanced machines. Voice synthesis and natural language processing. For a robot to be truly lifelike, it needs to communicate with people in a way that feels natural. The advanced voice synthesis systems used in these humanoid robots allow them to speak in human-like tones and cadences. Combined with natural language processing, these robots can understand and respond to complex conversations, making their interactions much more engaging. Why these robots are shocking the world. Now, why has the world been so shocked by these realistic female humanoid robots from Japan? There are several reasons why these robots have caused such a stir in the global community. Breaking the Uncanny Valley. The concept of the Uncanny Valley refers to the unsettling feeling people get when they encounter a humanoid robot that looks almost human, but not quite. It's like seeing a doll that almost looks like a person, but has just enough differences to make it feel creepy. With these new robots, however, Japan has made huge strides in overcoming this issue. The robots look and move in such a lifelike way that they're able to break the Uncanny Valley barrier, creating a sense of awe and amazement in people. AI and robotics converging. These robots represent the merging of two of the most exciting technological fields: artificial intelligence and robotics. The level of intelligence that these robots possess is far beyond what we've seen in previous generations. Their ability to engage in real conversations, express emotions, and respond to their environment in a meaningful way is mind-blowing. These advancements hint at a future where robots could potentially serve as companions, assistants, and even co-workers in a wide variety of fields. The implications for society. As these robots become more advanced, they raise important questions about the role of robots in society. Will we see robots integrated into everyday life in the same way we have smartphones or computers? Could robots like these replace human workers in certain industries, such as healthcare or customer service? While it's still too early to say, these robots represent a significant shift in how we view machines and their potential roles in our lives. The future of humanoid robots. As we look ahead, the future of humanoid robots is incredibly exciting. Japan is leading the charge, but other countries are quickly catching up. In the coming years, we can expect to see even more advancements in robot realism, from improved AI to better sensory feedback and more lifelike movements. There's also potential for these robots to play significant roles in industries like healthcare, education, and even entertainment. Imagine robots that can act as personal assistants, help elderly people with daily tasks, or provide emotional support. With Japan's continued innovation in this field, the possibilities are endless. The new generation of realistic female humanoid robots coming out of Japan is truly breathtaking. With lifelike features, advanced AI, and the ability to interact naturally with humans, these robots are not just science fiction, they're becoming a part of our reality. While we're still in the early stages, these robots offer a glimpse into a future where machines and humans work side by side. So, what do you think about these humanoid robots? Are they the future of technology, or are we getting too close to creating machines that feel too human? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.